Hi, to turn on and off app drawer on your POCO X7, first thing first, we need to open settings and here find this home screen tab. Then simply select it, choose home screen, and now we got two options, classic version or with app drawer. So I enabled app drawer and let me show you how it looks. So I can add some apps to my home screen and organize it in that way, and the rest of the apps will be placed in app drawer. So to enable it, I just need to swipe up and here they are. This is really comfortable and you can check all of your apps by categories such as all, communication, entertainment, photography, tools, news reading, shopping, games, lifestyle, and that's it. If you would like to disable app drawer, you can just go back in the settings. After that, choose home screen, select home screen and choose classic version. And now all of your apps would be placed on your home screen. And now if you swipe up, you'll see only this For You page. Also, you can press and hold your current home screen and then tap settings icon. Here you can also go in more tab and you'll see the same settings, so you can enable or disable app drawer. And if you enable app drawer, you can also enable app suggestions to display most frequently used apps in the drawer. You can also manage app categories, so you can delete some of them such as lifestyle. For that I can tap on the cross and choose to delete it. I can reorganize them by holding that lines and dragging it to any position I want, and I can reset everything back to their defaults. Also, in the scroll bar, I can select one of those two options. I can group icons by color and place new apps on the home screen, or I can disable it and they would be placed in app drawer. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.